What up? What up? What up? How's everybody doing? So as you can see from the title, there's definitely going to be a change to the channel. I won't be doing as much moto camping as I wish I could. I'm kind of moving towards car camping, van life. I used to actually live in a van for 3 years that I converted myself, so it's an easy transition for me. And it's something that I kind of always thought of doing. And now that I live here, it's a good opportunity to do that. I will still be doing motorcycle rides. I will be still doing DIY motorcycle projects. I will still be modifying my motorcycle. I'll be recording all that stuff as well to put on this channel. But I will still be doing car camping, adventures, traveling, try to do as much as I can. I just want to apologize to my OG subscribers, and I want to apologize to my new subscribers. And I hope if you do enjoy this, you stay. If not, I understand if you unsubscribe. I've done that, So yeah, feel free to comment and let me know what you guys think. So I hope you enjoy. I'm actually gonna build something back here. Gonna clean this up and build just something really simple that anybody can do. The wood, I actually got it for free from my job because they were throwing out a bunch of stuff, and I'm gonna just use it, and it's gonna save me a lot of money because, as everybody knows, wood right now is super expensive. So right now I'm actually gonna head out to Lowe's to pick up some screws and some hinges, and then try to build something simple. And I don't know how many videos this is gonna be building it, probably be 2 or 3 videos, but today I'm gonna try to at least get the bed in, measure everything out. So now we're heading out, and I'll see you at the store. Okay, just got out of Lowe's right now, and yeah, this is what I got. I got 2.5-inch red screws, so no pre-drilling on these, and they're around $10. I got this 1.5 inch narrow hinge, and I got the 3-inch hinge. So yeah, I'm gonna head out. All right, so I got in, and don't have too much space on the sides, but I'm gonna be working on the back right here, and this is all the wood that I got for free. So I got some 2x4s here. I got some more 2x4s if I need them right here that I'll take out. This is a box right here for a speaker box that's actually made out of hardwood. I got some more. These 2x4s right here are pretty long. These are going to be for the bed. I got some plywood right there. I got some more. I got some OSB right there. So I'm hoping I can build it with just this. Yeah. So what I'm going to do first is actually clean up this mess. So you can see this mess. Yeah. Okay, so everything's cleared out, and basically the bed's going to go to the right side. It's going to be a pretty narrow bed, and it's going to hit the back of that seat, and that's basically what I'm going to be doing today. So this is what I got so far. I got 57 inches length. Width, I got 20 inches. Right now I'm going to start and breaking all this wood out. All right, there you go. Everything's cut. 57, 8, and 16. So I'm actually gonna build it in here because it's flat and there's more light. I'm gonna go get my screws. Alright, so there you go. I'll put together. This is what I'm planning to do now. Take some measurements of over here, and then take some measurements from down this part up here, and then make a smaller box and then attach it to this. Alright, so so this is the other piece right here. I'm just going to screw it in right there, screw it in, and then I'm going to put the legs in. Alright, I just went ahead and just added these side pieces just because these things are a little bit longer. And yeah, here's another view. So we're gonna go take it into the other room and then put it in the car and see how it looks and see how it works. So there you go. And okay, one more thing that I forgot. This is too big. People still sit in this front seat and I need it to go back. So what I'm gonna do is actually use these hinges to have this thing hinge back and forth. So I'm able to fit people in here and not have to have this on there all the time. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Beautiful. So I think I'm going to end it right here. It's been 2.5 hours of working on this thing. I'm going to clean up this mess, clean up that area, and then pack everything up, put all the tools back. If you want to see more, definitely subscribe. Leave me a comment, like the video. I do have videos on moto camping and stuff like that, so you guys can watch those if you want to on my channel. But this is going to be kind of a new little series, or kind of integrated into my channel, just because moto camping over here in South Dakota is a little bit harder. It gets a little hard, especially mosquitoes, animals out here. This is in California, so definitely could rip through my tent, and I'd rather be in a car. You know, I will do moto camping. It's just probably going to be a little bit less because now I got this rig to kind of do more things in. But you know, hopefully my motorcycle people don't get upset. So yeah, the next video, keep an eye out for it. I'm gonna put the plywood on top. I'm gonna put the hinges on there as well, and hopefully get a small little cabinet there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on the CRV micro camper build. I think that sounds pretty good, right? Yeah, the CRV micro camper build. See you next time.